Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix friend list not showing in League of Legends. If you want to fix your friend list not showing up error in League of Legends, it is extremely simple and just follow my steps. Firstly, head to the bottom right hand side of your screen and right click on the network button. From here go to the network and internet settings. After coming in here, go to the Ethernet section. Then go to the DNS server assignment tab. From here click on the edit button. Now set the preferred DNS address to be 8.8.8.8 and the alternative DNS address will be 8.8.4.4. It is the DNS of Google and it will make your connection extremely stable. After changing your DNS, exit the tab. Now head to the search panel. From here search League of Legends and go to the open file location. After that, right click on League of Legends shortcut and go to open file location again. Now head back to Riot Games, go to League of Legends folder, scroll down until you find the League client exe, go to properties, go to the compatibility tab. From here, run this program in compatibility mode should be turned on, and also run this program as an administrator should also be turned on. After changing the settings, click on apply and OK. After changing these settings, if you open up your League of Legends client, you will see that you can see your friend list easily without any issue.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.